So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a 3D parallax effect for videos in Premiere Pro. Now for example, this is the video and I want it to look a 3D parallax effect on this particular one. So just simply enable the effects panel from the windows right there, and here in the effects panel search for uh, you just simply need to search for 3D. Now once you do it, you will see this basic 3D, drag and drop it to the video. Now once you do it, scroll down and find the basic 3D option right there. It's there. Now simply adjust it as much as you want, and you'll notice that it will look something like a 3D effect right there. I'll just simply tweak some more settings inside it. I'll make it tilt a bit, or I can just simply distant it from the image, and you'll notice that a 3D like effect have been created on the video. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.